How to enable Face ID for App Store. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and on your home screen tap hold on the App Store option you see there and you will see the option for require Face ID. Tap on that and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the require Face ID option you see there and you will be prompted to enter your Face ID for confirmation. So enter your Face ID and now every time you open App Store, you will be required to enter your Face ID. So this is how you can enable Face ID for App Store. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.